Air Canada 720, park visual 31.
Air Canada 720, LaGuardia Tower, number 31, departure.
Air Canada 720. And requesting level off 2000, engine loss, Air Canada 720.
Air Canada 720, descend your discussion.
Maintaining 2000, Air Canada 720.
And the reason?
Engine loss.
Air Canada 720, I just say your intention?
Stand by. I'd like to maintain 2000 until we get cleaned up, Air Canada 720.
Air Canada 720, roger.
Pan, Air Canada 720, engine loss.
Delta 512, go around and fly heading 310, and you climb and maintain 2000. Air Canada 712, the runway is available for you if you need it.
Air Canada 720 and requesting radar vectors at 2000.
Air Canada 712, discontinue your present heading and turn left heading 310. Do you want to land? I think it's probably too high.
Okay, we need a few minutes to clean up Air Canada 720. Heading 310, confirm. We're not ready to land.
Yes, turn left heading 310.
Left heading 310, radar vectors, Air Canada 720.
Canada 720, climb maintain 3000 and Canada 720, fly heading 040 and then climb maintain at 3000.
Heading 040, 3,000 feet, Air Canada 720, and Mayday, Air Canada 720, engine loss.
Air Canada 720.
Go ahead.
And maybe you can take, you have runway 22 in sight, maybe you can take that runway. I don't know if you need to land like right now.
Yeah, we're unable. We're just going to clean up. We'll need about 10 minutes till we're ready to land.
All right, you need 10 minutes. So contacting you off on 120.4 and they'll bring you back.
120.4, Canada 720.
Make it 120.8 and they'll bring you back on.
120.8, thank you.
Air Canada 720, New York.
Air Canada 720 with you, climbing 3000.
Air Canada 720, welcome back. Let me know what I can do for you.
Okay, we just need a few minutes, radar vectors, about 10 minutes until we're ready to return.
Canada 720, thank you. Just stay on this heading, maintain 3, and I'm actually going to bring you a little higher further north.
Okay, maintain 3 for now, Air Canada 720, present heading.
To Air Canada 720, when you have a moment, can you just let me know what the issue is?
Yeah, engine failure, Air Canada 720.
Roger, Air Canada 720, and again, at your freedom, people on board need fuel and time.
We'll get at you.
Pound. Air Canada 720, can you let me know which engine it is and any assistance I can give you, which direction to turn or any of that?
And Air Canada 720 is the right engine, and if we can prepare for arrival into Newark, that would be great.
Right engine. You want to go to Newark, Air Canada 720? That's fine. Let's turn left, heading 320.
Left turn 320, Air Canada 720. And for Air Canada 720, it's 47 souls on board.
0.7 hours, or is that 1,000 pounds?
2.7 kilos, tons.
Thank you.
And no DGs.
Air Canada 720, Newark is, stand by one. Newark's advertising information uniform. I'll give you a quick read of the weather. As of 2351 Zulu, the wind, calm. Visibility 10 miles. Sky clear. Temperature 17, 2.5. Newark altimeter 3014. They are landing on runway 4 right. ILS approaches in use.
Air Canada 720, we check all that. Thanks, sure. We'll need at least 15 minutes or so here to set up. If we can get vectors or a hold somewhere that works for you, that would help us out.
You know what, Air Canada 720, since they're coming around a fourth the long way around, I'm going to bring you well up north on this heading, and we'll just bring you around the long way. We'll just stay on this heading if that's all right. Are you good at 3, or would you like to go higher?
Yeah, if 3 works for you, we can get 3,000 Air Canada 720.
That's fine.
Thank you.
To Air Canada 720, we're going to come left to heading up 280.
Left heading 280.
Air Canada 720, contact approach 125.5. They're aware of everything going on. They'll take good care of you.
2525, Air Canada 720, thanks for your help, sir.
Air Canada 720, 25.5.
25.5, thanks, Air Canada 720. And New York, Air Canada 720, Mayday with you at 3000, heading 280.
Air Canada 720, altimeter 3014, ILS 4 right.
Check ILS 4 right, 3014.
Air Canada 720, you want to come in now?
Negative, sir, we'll need probably about 10 minutes.
All right, just let me know. I'll run you out about 8 miles to the west, and then we'll start our way southbound.
Appreciate it.
Air Canada 720, flighting 250.
Heading 250, Air Canada 720.
And Air Canada 720, you do want 4 right, correct? 11's available. We figure you want 4 right.
Yeah, we'll take 4 right. We'll need the extra time. It is Air Canada 720.
No problem. Air Canada 720, turn left, heading 220.
Left heading 220, Air Canada 720.
Air Canada 720, heading 190, approach 12855.
Heading 190 and 2855, Air Canada 720.
Air Canada 720 at 3000.
Canada 720, New York, approach, Air Canada 720, you're okay with 4 right, or you want something else?
4 right's good. And for Air Canada 720, we'd like to full stop on the runway for inspection.
Air Canada 720, roger.
And Newark Tower, Air Canada 720, emergency aircraft, full right.
Air Canada 720, Newark Tower, wind calm, runway 4 right, clear to land. Emergency personnel will be waiting for you. Upon landing.
Clear to land 4 right. We'll be stopping on the runway, Air Canada 720.
Roger. And Air Canada 720, just understand you just got one engine out.
Affirm.
Roger. And Air Canada 720, emergency personnel will be joining you on the runway. Let me know of your intentions, please.
Newark Tower, Air Canada 720.
Air Canada 720, go.
Okay, we're inspected, good to go. We got a Alpha 23 gateway.
Okay, Air Canada 720, left turn off, hold short, runway 4 left at Kilo.
Okay, left turn off, short 4 left at Kilo.